Hey, we got this 69 Barracuda here, 340S car. We're going to install a Holley Sniper kit. It's a retrofit kit, throttle body, gas tank, fuel pump, everything. So we're just going to rock that out and it'll make this thing run like a modern car. I'm getting ready to put this Sniper throttle body on. This is how easy it looks. And it is. It's a good kit. Bolts right on like a carburetor. You hook up your linkage, wire it up. We're ready to go. Ready to put the Holley retrofit kit in, part of Sniper fuel injection in this Barracuda. It all comes together. You just have to assemble the pump and the sender in it. Makes it a real easy installation. On this Holley Sniper kit, you got to run two fuel lines. Well, a pressure line and a return line. And we're using Fergolia line and fittings and fuel filter, trying to route it as nice as we can. Keep it away from all sharp objects, heat, and the dry shaft and everything, but it's going along pretty good. Okay, getting ready to hook up the fuel filter. Cut my line to fit that. Then I'm going to route them up over here and attach a dowel clamp to that tranny mount and go up over the top of the tranny to the fuel injection, and then we're done with the fuel lines. All right, just finishing up the wiring here on the Sniper kit at the fuel pump back here. Got to hook up a vent, a real nice vent they give us, and then put some heat protectant on the fuel line. Got the Sniper installation done on the CUDA. Tried to hide everything to make it look factory. Tucked it all away so you can't see it. Then we fire it up and make sure all the settings are correct.
Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.